video. Today we are doing a DIY canister makeover. These canisters were given to me, so they're absolutely free. I already had all the products on hand to make them over. If you're interested in these simple DIYs to just kind of like make over little things around your house, then definitely stay tuned. So here I am putting tape around that black border. I actually like that black color, but I wasn't really a fan of the red and tan. I'm outside with some white spray paint. I did not appreciate the color or the coverage of this spray paint. So once it dries, I'm going to go inside and kind of finagle it a little bit. I have my apple barrel paint, and this is in the color white. I appreciated the color of this more because I felt like the coverage was better. So I got a thicker paintbrush, and I'm gonna put about 2 coats, and I can already see in the first coat that there is better coverage than I got with the spray paint. I'm not ashamed to show my mistakes. So this is just something that I had to fix, and that was just to use a different kind of paint. Now, once that's given time to dry for the first coat, go and spray paint the hardware with a black semi-gloss spray paint. And this is something from Home Depot. I already had it on hand, and it was only $1. And I recommend you all keep a lot of spray paint on hand, especially if you like to craft and do projects. So while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and put a coat of Mod Podge. This is kind of like my sealer, like my final coat. And there you have it. My canisters are complete, and they are absolutely beautiful. I hope you all really enjoyed the video and like this kind of content. I really hope you consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. I love you all so much, and I hope to catch you in my next video. All right, bye for now.